Ahoy, mateys! No, I don't know about that. But I did get in something new today. It's a Runcam Nano2. Now, this is a 14mm camera. I designed maybe, mainly for toothpicks, and I'm going to try it in my chopstick, actually, because I want to shave a few grams off of this thing. It's kind of porky. So let's check this thing out. Now, this is a nice price on this, 20 bucks, as opposed to the similar Racer Nano, which is 35 bucks. Kind of expensive, but this one is only 20. However, as you can see, it doesn't have any no controls. There's no way to plug in a joystick or even connect it to a flight controller for changing the settings. So hopefully the default settings are good, because you can't do anything about it. So we'll see about that. And it comes with a 19mm adapter, and I'm sure some various lengths mounting screws. Yep, looks like some of them are pretty short too, so that's good, and some longer ones. So that looks fine there. So this is it. Feels nice quality. The lens, actually, the lens ring here feels metal. Actually feels kind of heavy. Let's weigh it. 4.08 grams. That's actually quite a bit heavier than it says online. I think on the internet it shows it's 3.2 grams. Even with the wiring, that's quite a bit more. But anyway, so 4 grams. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to install it in here. And one of the reasons, like I said, I wanted to shave some weight off of this thing because it's a little bit heavy. And also this frame did come with a mount for this size camera, 14mm, so I want to make use of that. Well, here's the Runcam Nano2 installed in the chopstick. Pretty nice fit, plenty of room for it, obviously. And I also completed the little weight saving I wanted to do on the chopstick. I saved about 4 or 5 grams using the lighter camera, slightly smaller cap. I shortened up all the wires and used the slightly lighter antenna and this battery pad here. So not too bad. So let's go see how the default settings look. Hopefully they're good because you can't change them.
Allí en la casa seguramente, antes de salir. Pero ni tanto, lo único que te va a pillar el tráfico es poco. Sí. Right. Yeah, you gotta make sure you avoid cold. Just maybe go up Lincoln, or go rather than just going up and down to the bridge and back. Stupid. So I don't think that's the point. Me voy para el carajo porque es medio aburrido, tengo hambre. Con la dieta, con 4 huevos pelados y un jalapeño. No, me voy a comer pollo, voy a hacer un par de parrelitos allí